Hari Om Shri Matre Namaha. On the 7th day of Navratri, we are going to worship the most ferocious form of Devi Parvati as Kalaratri. Kalam is time, Ratri is night. Kalaratri, that is the destroyer of time. So Kalaratri Devi is worshipped in the darkest form. And she is the one who destroys the time, cleanses the negativities, dispels the fears. Kalaratri Devi is the form of Devi Parvati. When she was taking the form to kill the Shumba, Nishumba, Rakta Bija, Dhumra Lochana, she was in her ferocious form, depicted as dark, having an iron club in her hand. But she is also depicted with Abhaya Varada Hastam, showing love to her devotees. She is also holding a sword drenched with blood. So this form of Devi gives us the confidence that this life we are facing lot of demonic forces in various forms within and around. The Kalaratri Devi's worship helps us to cut across all this and win over and attain the feat. That is the next Devi whom we are going to see is Siddhidatri, all the Siddhis. So we know that all these days we have been worshipping all the Devis. From Muladhara, the Kundalini has risen up to Sahasrara. And we're going to go beyond and then merge with a universal consciousness. This is the actual depth of Navratri. So here, the negative forces, the force of the time, the limitation of the time are all cut off by Kalaratri Devi. So let's simply meditate upon her for a few minutes before we start our pratana. Close your eyes and sit for a few moments and have a deep breathing. Let's invoke the energy of Mahaganapati and follow the dhyana of Kalaratri Devi. Om Ghananantva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavin Kavina Mupamasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannuti Bisida Sadanam Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Meditate on the powerful form of Ma Kalaratri, the goddess who showers the divine light over darkness of ignorance. She transforms from within, removing all the fear, all the negativities which are there within. She's dark. She is found riding on a donkey. In her hand, she holds the Abhaya Varada Mudras for her loving children. She has braided hair scattered on all directions. The blood of demons flows on her body, yet she is the ocean of auspiciousness. She is Shubhadhatri, Shubhakari. She is wearing a garland of skulls representing so many births which we have crossed. Her three eyes Shower us with wisdom. Her Vajrayuda cuts away all the blemishes in us, all the past karmas, all the darkness which have come through in all our births. Our ignorance is removed. Her Abhaya Hastam protects us. The Vajrayudam in her hand is the strongest Ayuda representing the spinal cord, the indestructible Kundalini energy which has risen in us in our worship in all these days. The lightning, Tadillata Samaruchi, Shat Chakropari Samstita. The immense blessing of Ma Kalaratri. Protect us. Let's build a confidence. Let's transform from within. Let's dispel the darkness. Let her remove all our Sanchita, Prarabdha Karma. She illuminates your Sahasrara Chakra. She bestows you with Ashtama Siddhi, Kalaratri Adi Shaktyauka Vrita. She is surrounding Shakti of Maha Shakti, Maha Tripura Sundari. She is Maharaudri. Let us destroy our inner enemies by chanting her mantra. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently open your eyes. Kalaratri Devi Mantrarchana. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. 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 कालरात्रि देवी प्रार्थना। एकवेणी जपा कर्णपूरा नग्नकरा स्थिता लंबोष्टी कर्णिका कर्णी तैलाभ्यक्त शरीरिणी वामपादोलसल्लोह लता कंठ खभूषणा वर्धना मूर्धध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रिर्भयंकरी। स्तुति। या देवी कालरात्रि स्तुति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कालरात्रिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी कालरात्रि स्तुति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कालरात्रिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी कालरात्रि स्तुति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कालरात्रिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। कालरात्रि कवचम्। ओम क्लीं मे हृदयं पातु पातौ श्री कालरात्रि ललाटे सततं पातु तुष्टग्रह निवारिणी रसना पातु कौमारी भैरवी चक्षुषोद्भवा कठौ पृष्ठे मकेशानी कर्णो शंकर भामिनी वर्जितानि तु स्थानाभि यानि च कवचेन हि तानि सर्वाणि मे देवी सततं पातु स्तंभिनी। कालरात्रि मंत्र साधना मंत्रार्चना। May the blessing of Ma Kalaratri be with us, cleansing us, nourishing us, and guiding us into the divine unison with Lord Shiva. Sri Matre Namaha.